Grilling with the Smart Oven Pro has many uses. The grill function delivers top-down heat at high temperatures and is designed to brown, melt, and crisp the top side of your food evenly, which can be a challenge in more traditional ovens or grills. It's excellent for cooking various cuts of meat, poultry, fish, sausages, and vegetables, as well as open sandwiches. Today, we're making a delicious open steak sandwich. So let's look at how to set up your Smart Oven Pro to do it. First, insert the wire rack into the middle position. Use the top position for thinner meats and middle position for thicker cuts. Drop the grilling rack into the pan and place your steak in the center so that the Element IQ system can move heat around the steak evenly for optimal results. Use the function dial to select the grill function. Use the temperature dial to adjust the temperature settings of low, medium, or high. Adjust the cooking time with the time dial. Press the Start Cancel button to activate. You'll see the orange LCD display and the timer commence the grilling countdown. The Smart Oven Pro really takes the thinking out of cooking with the grill function. Now it's your turn to taste test this delicious open steak sandwich. Time to get grilling, my friend.